Good morning once again. How are you? Today I am going to talk about one interesting topic which is continuation of the earlier topic. That is, if first lord in the first house, what else we can learn? So I request our Astrovedic Solutions admin Prachi Saxena to ask the questions.
Hello sir, good morning and many congratulations for our group Astrovedic Solutions YouTube channel. Sir, really you have taken very interesting topic today, that is Lung Lord in Lagna. Regarding that I want to ask one question please.
Yeah, go ahead.
As we already know that Lung Lord in Devan chart plays a very important role. So my question is, if Lung Lord in first house, will this make the person moody or fickle-minded?
Here she asked how is the person is very moody and the person is having some kind of fickle mindedness, because if these two characteristics has to come from moon also influence the lagna if the lagna lord is in the first house. That is the secret behind it, because sun is one planet who is going to influence the lagna if the first lord is in the first house. The second factor is moon. If the moon is also influencing the factor on the lagna, if the lagna lord is the first house, then the person will be naturally influenced by the moon as well. So he will be little bit moody, he will have the fickle mindedness, etc. will be there. Okay. So I thought in the part 2 I will explain this and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.